Boone from Mannery Farms, and we've got some hay to bale today, so I thought I'd bring you along. Let's get the baler greased and tractor fueled up, and we'll head over to the field. Also, I got my water jug packed. Check out the new Mannery Farms stickers. Let me know if I should sell them or whatever. I got little ones like this, and I got some that are 5x5s. Pretty cool though. Let's get this thing greased up. Getting her baled up here. It's 15 so far. We got a field down there on the bottom, and then another about 20-acre field today. So see how we get along. Here's I'm just down the corners right now, get them out of the way. But pretty set up here. Got Maddox on the rake over here. And that's bale number 21. Keep on trucking. Making some nice bales. Number 75. We are pumping these things out. Oh yeah. Well, time to pick the pickup up. Move on to the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe.